The Graduate Diploma in Foundations of Canadian Law is a program that has both a full-time and a part-time option. For the full-time option, we take students every winter, and it's 8 months in length, 2 terms. The part-time option is a fall intake program. It's 4 terms in length. Both options have the same course content. So there are 4 required courses. You just take them at a different pace depending on whether you're full-time or part-time. And the other key difference is that the full-time option would be in person, whereas the part-time option would give you the choice of attending some of your courses in person if you wish to do that. And at the end of the program, again for both full-time and part-time students, there's an option to take 1 or 2 elective courses to satisfy your interests or to satisfy National Committee on Accreditation requirements. The Graduate Diploma is a unique offering and one that we've come up with over a number of years of development. What we recognized about internationally trained lawyers coming into the Canadian market is that they often needed supports to make sure that they are as successful as possible in whatever goal they're pursuing, whether that's accreditation to become a licensed practicing lawyer here or other kinds of professional opportunities that they may be seeking that use their legal experience. And so this program will build your academic skills. It will build your legal skills in terms of communication, writing, and analysis. It will build your confidence in terms of being able to communicate professionally in terms of style and substance in the Canadian legal market. And so we know that you'll go away from this program into whatever comes next being as confident and supported as you possibly can be. As with all of our full-time programs at Osgoode PD, this program has both a full-time and a part-time option to give you choice. And so the full-time option is 2 terms in length. It's in-person courses. A lot of those courses will be during the daytime, and so this works well for people looking for something that they can complete in a shorter period of time. They're looking for that in-person interaction, so they live somewhere in the Greater Toronto area, and they're looking for that full-time study experience. The part-time option is designed more for people who are working full-time, also for people who aren't local to Toronto because the courses are all available online. And so that's a more flexible option that allows people to fit in their full-time work or other obligations and do their courses evenings or weekends, and again online if they wish. While the Graduate Diploma has quite a variety of different students in it, one of our bigger groups of students are lawyers from civil jurisdictions. Typically those are candidates who speak English as a second or third or subsequent language. They may not have experience working in English in a legal environment previously, so while they may have very good overall language proficiency, that applied proficiency they don't have yet. They also often don't have direct experience with Canadian legal concepts and with the system and how it works. And so that group of students finds the diploma a very good starting point in either an accreditation or other professional journey to build their language proficiency in an applied setting so that they are learning those legal concepts in a practical manner and developing professional proficiency as they go along. A number of graduate diploma students have plans to go on to a Master of Laws study afterwards. Most typically for internationally trained lawyers, that's as part of a journey to accreditation. And so they would complete the graduate diploma. At the end of the diploma, they're taking some electives which may go toward their accreditation requirements. And then they may move on to a program like the Professional LLM in Canadian Common Law to work on the remaining accreditation requirements that they have. In other cases, students may be looking at other specializations. And again, the graduate diploma is a great way of building the legal knowledge, the language proficiency, the other skills that are going to make them extra successful in LLM study, because we want people going into those LLM programs with the capabilities to do really, really well and achieve the academic and professional goals that they are looking for. So at Osgoode PD, we have quite long application cycles, and so depending on which option you're looking for, there is often an application cycle open. For our full-time program, we offer applications between October 1st and May 1st. For our part-time option, February 1st to September 15th. So you can apply anytime during those windows, but we always encourage that candidates apply early if they can. These programs do fill up, and so we like to get those applications in early and try to give you an early decision if we can. The other consideration is, of course, if you're an international student looking to do the full-time program, you will want to apply early to be able to give you time to get your study permit. So here at Osgoode PD, we're always happy to answer questions. We're to talk to prospective applicants if there's any way we can help you with the application process or questions about programs. And so please feel free to reach out to us using the link on your screen.